Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce stutter and FPS drops in Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. You'll see that the game stutters a lot beforehand. However, afterwards, the stutter and FPS drops will be noticeably reduced. I'll walk you through the steps to achieve the same results in your game. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to download MSI Afterburner software. Just type MSI Afterburner into your web browser. Head over to the official website to download. And install it on your PC. MSI Afterburner comes bundled with RivaTuner Statistics Server, RTSS. Once Afterburner is installed, you can open RTSS directly. You can find it in your Start menu. In RTSS, change the framerate limit to 60. This will cap the FPS in your game, helping to smooth things out. After launching the game, press the Windows key to minimize it and open Task Manager. Check your CPU usage. If Windows Defender is using a lot of resources, you can temporarily disable it. Now, go to the Details tab in Task Manager and find the Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War executable. Right-click on it and follow the steps I show you to prioritize the game for better performance. See the difference? This method worked wonders for me. Hopefully, it helps you too. Thanks for watching everyone. Until next time, have a great day.